Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock Netflix hidden genre using secret codes to explore way more movies and shows. Let's get started. So why use codes? When you search normally, Netflix only shows recommendations. These secret codes unlock entire hidden categories you won't see on your homepage. And how to use them? On your browser, search for netflix.com and then add a code after the slash. For example, 43040 for action comedies. And here are the popular codes. Here are a few to try. In the search bar, type 43040 if you want to watch action comedies, movies, and shows. And after that, you can also type 8985 if you want to watch martial arts movies. And here, it will provide different movies that you want to try. And next, if you want to watch anime, just type 7424 and then the Netflix will appear different types of movies that's all about animation. Then, if you want to try to watch documentaries, just type 6839. And here, the Netflix will provide different documentaries. And if you want to watch horror movies, type a code 8711 and you can find hundreds more on online. And that's how you access a Netflix hidden genre with secret codes. Try them out and discover new favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.